Hello guys, Kobe here. For another Let's Play video, Caden turned up. And today we're going to do remote control race. Caden! Remote control race cars 2. But this time we have upgraded.
Yep,
and we've lost a car. Caden, stop.
It's working. Turn it off.
You turn it off. Okay, can we show? We're gonna be drag racing also.
Daddy, hey, I'm using the.
Y'all ready to go play?
Yeah,
Turn it off, Caden.
We're ready.
Turn off my. Well, are we gonna go to the same place as last time?
Can I hold it?
Is it off? Okay. We have a supercar, a Jeep, and a sports car. The sports car is the only remaining folk from last time. What about the race car? The new.
We're gonna get them all.
The other Okay. The differences from between the last time and this time is that we're gonna have Luca with us this time.
Look what I'm using.
Okay, can I? That's the supercar.
That's what I'm using.
I'm using the Jeep, and we also have a dune buggy and a sports car. We put them back here, kid. Luca. We had two what you call it? What are they called? Two dune buggies, but we actually lost one.
Yeah, the
Actually,
show them the one that we lost.
We lost that one. It got put in the flood. Put this one in the front seat.
Which one?
This one.
Why?
Because it's too big to fit back here.
No, we can make it fit.
We're not putting it like there. Luca. We'll be right back, guys, when we storm. Okay, guys, packed and loaded. Here we go. Daddy, I can't.
Okay.
Is that locked?
What's the damn hold of?
Okay, we got the. Okay, let's run over. We have the sports car. I mean, the supercar, sports car, the dune buggy, and the Jeep. We have two dune buggies, but that one is broken. In the last episode, we had the red, the green, and that. But that one's broken because Kane ran in the ditch. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's go. See you there. Okay, guys, we are here at the location.
Open your door.
The same location as last time, actually.
Come on, Micah.
The last time was fun, but today is the last day Kane's gonna be here.
Hey, look at this.
Any dead cars?
Dad, come on. I want my.
Oh, there is a dead car.
I want my
All
car.
right. No throwing them down. You don't throw them down. You set them down with your hand. Don't throw the machine down. Set it down.
Mine. Micah, right here.
Here, let me turn up the brightness so I can see.
What's that? How are you supposed to? Does this have batteries to it or something? It's turned off. Oh.
Move.
I want to check that one out here in a minute. Okay.
Hey, Daddy, can you hold this?
You gotta hold it.
Of course we get. When you get my car.
No, it's faster than the Okay, let's have a car. Put in. Okay, let's have a car meet. Everyone meet up in one car.
Right here.
Yeah. Hey, what's the race? I'm gonna lose. This thing's slow. No, Kobe. Micah's gonna lose, actually. Micah. Can I have
Come on, guys.
can I have a different one?
Hey, look, hold this. Let me see that.
No, quit driving.
Ow! 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 You pushed your thing into me.
Micah, quit
Here.
driving. Look at it go.
Can you go to the car meet, Daddy?
We're gonna have a race.
Don't go forward. That hurt.
No one push no buttons.
I want to see.
What's this?
Daddy, come back. Stop, don't move. Don't move. Go back to the car meet. Before we can see where our competitors are. Bring it over here.
Micah, bring it over here.
Stop.
Bring the cars over here. We're having a race.
Car meet and then
You
race.
know yours is
Bring it over.
Hey,
I got it. Leave it alone.
Bring that thing over, the red one.
we gotta line it up.
Small little red one.
Ready?
Stop, Luca. No, wait. Wait, I need it. Don't stop. Let go of the buttons.
We'll see.
We're gonna have a car meet. Do you know what that is, Micah? Don't. Okay. First off, we have Micah's.
What happened to this
Uh,
channel? Y'all broke it already?
Comes back on.
First off, we have Micah's sports car. Second off,
There, it's fixed.
wait. Second off, we got. Is this yours again?
Yeah.
Second off, we have Luca's
Mike, it's the
supercar.
same here.
Third, we have Caden's dune buggy.
No.
Fourth, we have my Jeep. Don't go yet. Okay, I'm gonna go get the phone to the competitor.
Give all y'all a head start.
Okay, here. Record it, Daddy.
Hear that black
I want to play.
No, but I can't race with one hand.
Kobe, to the black truck and back. That's way too. I'm giving y'all a head start. Ready?
Go.
Set, go.
Go around the black truck.
Yeah, we're on the back.
Gotta go around the black truck. Where are you going, Caden?
I don't know.
Around the black truck. Go for it, Luca. No, you gotta go around the black truck.
I did.
No, you didn't. Bull crap.
Okay. First place, supercar. Second place is the Jeep. Third is the dune buggy. Fourth is the sports car. We know why.
That's a badass car.
This one's too fast. I couldn't turn.
Can I play with it?
Tell me, I'm gonna play with yours.
No, I'm playing with
Let
mine.
me
No,
play
I
with
want
it.
to try yours out.
No, I want to try mine out.
I want to
I
try
want to try that one.
it.
Caden.
You
Hey.
can try mine.
Here.
No.
I don't want that. I just want.
Kobe.
I want to try that one.
You can.
Hey, Luca, can I try?
Luca, let him try. Can I try yours? No, I'm trying his.
I want to see
You
how
can
this
try
thing
mine.
runs. Wait,
Dude, get
move that.
the head off the tire.
I can't drive with one hand. Luca, hold this cameraman. We're taking turns being cameraman. Off cameraman. Hold it with both hands. Oh, try and at the court. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh, this. Whoa!
It's a sports car.
Come on.
Can you hold this, Luca? Micah,
Michael.
do not drop this.
Oh, Michael, I'm gonna do help.
Actually, no. Actually, no. Daddy, I need a cameraman. I want to try this. Somebody doesn't have a car. Micah. Luca.
Sorry.
Luca, you hold it. Hold it, bro. Can you hold it? I need somebody to... Guys, we'll be right back. We need a cameraman in that field. So I'll be right back. I did, Daddy. Okay, guys, we're back. Sure, can you hold this? Or at least try holding it. Hey, I need a holder. This isn't working. There we go. Guys, I need a holder. I'm using this one. You want to take a break?
I'll keep playing.
Mic up! Mic up! Mic up! Give that to him. Bring it to me. What are you doing? Be right back. Careful! Okay, this car's going back in the shop. Not really. It's actually just taking a break. And we're having fun. It's a fun... it seems like the supercar and the dune buggy is the best. Like, I don't know what the problem is. with Caden's supercar, with the dune buggy. The Jeep's okay. And then you got the plane, the little zip plane, which is not really fast, but because it's a zip plane. And that's just for fun, that one. And also, if you're wondering, I'm still using the Mark III. I will use the Mark IV in a few, probably tomorrow, on the next videos. So pretty much, yeah. I'm probably gonna occasionally pause, where I can actually have some fun too.
Dad! Helicopter, no!
Daddy, can you hold this?
Pull a really slow one and make it go really
I'm
I don't want to hold that.
I'm gonna see if this one can go into the grass.
Is this one dead or something?
No, I'm just.
Just
It's,
play with them till the battery runs out.
that one is. It's in the garage.
You got a bungee cord, Dad?
No, I do not.
Something to rope or something?
Okay, let's test if the new one can actually go in the grass. Can it go in the grass? Yay, it can! Okay, no, it can't. But, okay, let's check out the new supercar. Who has the supercar? Look at that. Look at Caden's. Look how fast it goes. It's a dune buggy. Dune buggies are meant for the off-road, so. That's the... Okay. Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to sort by price. This is 20 bucks.
Caden, where you
This
at,
was,
bud?
this is 25 bucks. This was 20.
Caden, come here.
What are you doing?
Bring it over here.
What are you doing?
Show you something.
This is the 20 buck one. That's the 25. That's the 30 buck. And that's the $60 one.
Hey, I want that one. Hey.
Caden! Careful, Caden. Let's do that backwards. Can we do that backwards? Like turn it around and do it backwards? Like where I'm telling you?
That car you got, Caden, that black one, that's a badass car.
Here, let's turn it around. I want to show you.
What do you mean? Oh, tow
I
me?
tell you, yeah.
Man, can I play with your car?
Hold up. Toby's trying to tow me.
Can I
Yeah.
play with the car?
Hold up.
Can you be cameraman?
to play with the car. It's my turn.
Let's see if it can tow.
Toby,
Pull.
you know me and Caden love you, buddy.
Yeah.
Toby, pull.
Huh?
It's not fast enough.
Bet you I can just jump off
Y'all got along pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Wow! Fudge, that
Toby,
hurt.
you want me to hook mine back to yours?
No, I want to try mine.
Dad!
See ya, guys. That's the little plane. The plane is a goat.
Toby, can I try yours?
No. I want to try the supercar. Oh. Who put the sports car over there? The sports car. Hey, where's the remote to the sports? Okay, pick that up. Pick that up for me.
Can I trade you? Supercar? Hey,
Help
what about
me.
supercar?
I want to try the
You
dune
want
buggy.
me to pull you?
Okay, this is the Dodge sports car. Put her back there. Hey, can I try the sports car?
You gotta drive. But first I gotta find a spot to hook it.
I don't think you can hook it.
Yeah, you can. I want black. I want to try blackout. I want to try that. I want to try that.
Yeah, this one's dead, Daddy.
Okay. That's mine.
And also, the owner, the red one belongs to Caden. The black one belongs to my dad. The sports car and the Jeep belong to me. And the plane belongs to Luca. Yeah. The plane is a little go plane. That means you look, they're telling you to do. That thing's bad. That thing is. You okay? Okay, there's a sports car remote. Okay. Well. Okay, I'll be right back, guys, till we like. There. You have to go backwards. Let's see who's gonna win. They're playing tug of war. So we did the race. We did towing.
Go! I won!
Why am I going back?
You gotta hold it.
It's up like this, ain't it?
It ran dead. Wait, honestly.
Hey, Lucas!
No, I'm not doing that. That does not work, guys.
Alright, this one's dead. Your other one was dead?
No.
Really?
I just put it in the garage. This one's about to die, I can tell. What? I'll be right back, guys, and I'll see you in a few.
I like it.
Thanks. Okay, guys, it's been about 5 minutes or so since since I paused, and now this one, the supercar, and the sports car are dead. It's dead, Micah.
I just sitting down.
Okay, I'll see you guys in a few. Hey, Daddy. Okay, so the only ones charged are
Okay.
the sports car or the Jeep,
One of them
and
races, but
yeah, the only ones that are alive are the Jeep and the dune buggy. So I'll see you guys in a few when they're all dead, and then we'll be leaving. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. It's been a minute, literally, just about.
put it down. Let me play with it.
What?
It's been like.
Going?
It's gonna go dead. Watch.
Okay,
Watch. See how slow it is?
okay, guys. It's been like 2 seconds. His is about to die, and mine is now going slower. Me and Caden's are now going slower. That means it's about to die. So see you when they're dead. Okay, see you in a sec when it's dead. Okay, Caden, is it dead? Okay, Caden. Caden is now dead. So I won. Okay, guys, I won. So I'll see you when mine's dead. This thing won't die. So I'll see you when it's dead. Wow, this thing's good. Okay, see you in a sec, guys. Okay, yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. All the cars are dead except for mine. Well, mine's not dead yet, but we are going home. Today, I'm gonna be staying up, playing with my daddy and my little brother, because they're leaving today. They're leaving tomorrow morning. Okay. So, if you want to, you can say which one do you like the best. The car, the supercar, sports car, supercar, Jeep, or dune buggy. Wherever the dune... Okay, there's dune buggy. So, yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out. Micah, thanks for being in the video. Micah, Luca, Caden, and my dad. Bye, guys. This is the final episode of Dune Buggy. Remote control race cars for now. So see you guys later. Bye.